Hey everybody, this is RTJ here and welcome back to another video. But in this video we're going to be doing something that I don't usually do, but we're going to do an unboxing video. This big Xbox, I don't know if it's One or One S. We're going to unbox it, so let's go now. Yes, thanks, that's going to be cool. Oh look, it's like paper craft.
Is this the Windows 10 one?
Yeah, that has the games in. The console itself is in there.
No, this is the leaflets for the games.
Oh, okay. Hold on. Okay. This. I don't know how to move the boxes.
Okay, I get it.
Yeah.
I'll open.
President Cook knows how to. Here's the console itself. It's a bit messy. Just some bits of foam. Here's a white Xbox.
No, that's paper.
No, I think the console itself is white.
I found the
What?
control.
A controller comes with it.
Ooh, a cable.
You might not need that controller. You might. Move the boxes out of the way so we can see you guys can actually see the Xbox. Down here. It's a nice shape. Easy looking cables at the back.
That's the wire.
The HDMI cable, yeah. That helps a lot. Helps a lot. See it? It's high speed, nice.
Oh, we have it.
There we have the Xbox, yes. Yes. Let's see. Right, okay, there. That's everything, maybe,
Let's
or
just
maybe
put that
everything.
on. Put all of these on.
Yeah.
This is what comes with it.
What's this?
That's a spare wire.
Oh, it's spelled there. Right.
Or it's a different one.
Yeah. Yeah.
This is what comes with it.
Yeah, this is everything that comes with the Xbox. Apart from these two controllers. These were separate. Yeah. They were separate. Look at nice down the door. Here. Yeah, nothing. So that's all I've got for this video. And goodbye.